Alright, I got 3 more packs of these. Something happened with the video. That's alright. I think we can hurry up and get a quick finish here. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got 2 here. Okay, boom. Gonna go a little faster here. I don't know how long the video will get this before it cuts me off. Bam! And look at that. Now that is freaking beautiful. And that, my friend, is a secret rare. That is my first secret rare I got. Let's sleeve that bad boy up. Alright. Some extra code cards really quick, so you guys can get those. I give away all the code cards, even some bonus ones. Okay, boom, and Shazam. There we go. 2 more of these. Secret rare. That was pretty awesome. You know what else would be awesome is getting that Charizard. Oh wow, this is taking forever for me to open. I don't know if hold on a second. I'm having difficulty here. Oh snap. Trying to hurry up and finish this video. But I am having difficulty. And I did not bring my scissors. That is alright. We got it open. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, here we go. Uh-oh. I think I've seen something nice too. Here we go. Energy. Another energy. Here we go. Ooh, no. Non-hollow. Almost. Alright. Last one. Oh, wow. I will definitely not forget my trusty scissors.